Hello guys, and welcome to another World of Tech video. Today Tyler is your host, and today we're going to show you how to speed up your Windows 7 computer. Now the results will vary from system to system, and some people may know this. This is just the key features, and we figured we'd just show you guys some obvious things that should be done daily, if not weekly, to improve your performance. Now, like I said, it will vary on your specs. Now, mine is a 4 GB DDR2. Hopefully we'll be upgrading to at least a 6 GB or maybe an 8 gig with an AMD quad-core processor, so it runs very smooth, very nice processor. And then of course the hard drive space, which really wouldn't affect it too much, is 1.5 terabyte, around there, with 2 internals and 2 externals. Hopefully we'll be installing a couple more internal hard drives that I have laying around into this computer. So as you can see right now, we are looking at the desktop of the lovely Android wallpaper. So anyways, to get on with this, basically we need to open up our start menu, and we are going to type the %temp %, and as you can see, immediately you see 2 files, but we're just going to go ahead and enter. It'll open up what we need. Now, what we're doing here is basically, and a lot of people may or may not know this, the temp file, when you download something or you open something up from the internet, and you don't save it to a location necessarily, sometimes by default it automatically is sent to a temp folder like so. And this is everything that you've done. So from here you see I have an Ubuntu install text document from when I had 10.10 installed onto my computer. That was probably 4 or 5 months ago. We did some videos on it, and then of course 1104, which we recently did a video on the Deja Up, which we will have a video on 1110 very shortly, following a tours of a room. So basically this is everything. You have the zombie mod pack, zombie growing 1, that was from Minecraft. I have a lot of things from Minecraft in here that I just downloaded up, all that good stuff. So what you want to do is basically just hit Control A. You want to select it all. As you can see, I have 1,195 items in my temp folder, and now this is from for a long time. I haven't deleted this in forever. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit delete, and no, this won't mess up your computer at all, especially your operating system. I know some people are worried about that. Your operating system would be in your C drive, which, yes, we are in our C drive, but it would be in the Windows Not User folder. And like the folder says, this is a temp folder, so anything in here can be deleted and everything will still work correctly. So we're just going to go ahead and hit yes, and it's going to send everything to our recycling bin, which, as you can tell, has not been empty, and that will be the second part of what we need to do. Now, as you can see, it says there's 1,149 items. That's not including, obviously, the folders that have files in them. So as you can see, our number is rising. We might have hit a solid spot right now at 4,767 items. Now, of course, since we're recording right now with Camtasia, we won't be able to actually delete this folder, as this is a ongoing process right now, and you will get that. A lot of files, some files, or a lot of files will not be able to be deleted, and that's no problem because you're still going to clear up a lot of memory use. So just do this for the next items. Let's skip it. Same thing, skip it. And there you go. So out of 4,000 files, we now have 16 items in this folder, and 20 megabytes, 14 megabytes. I mean, they're not using that much, so that's no biggie. So after that, just go ahead and exit out of that folder. Now, some obvious thing is go through your computer, clean out some stuff. For example, I can see some things on my desktop right now. Alien Swarm, I could get rid of. I don't really play it that much. Forsaken World. Team Fortress 2, I probably could. I don't play that much. Counter-Strike, I play quite a bit. Alloys, I could get rid of. Things like Archlord, I don't play anymore. Mainly, my 3, maybe 4 games I play the most would be World of Warcraft, Rift, occasionally Minecraft, and of course Counter-Strike. I think that's only desktop icons I see that are games I actually play. So anyways, let's go to our recycling bin. We can go ahead and open it. We can see how many files we're actually going to be removing from our computer. It may take some time to actually open, as we recently just removed 4,000 files, and that's not including probably a couple of thousand I already had in here, if that. So as you can see, we have a lot of files in there. So, and this was the recent last stuff we just sent here from the temp. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy, select, or sorry about that, Control A, and then we're gonna go ahead and hit delete. And of course, there's only 1,191 items it sees. So there's a couple more in here that wasn't in here. And as you can see, a total of 4,773 items, total worth of 11.4 gigabytes being removed. That is amazing. Because, I mean, without us doing this, we wouldn't have known, you know, that's extra space on your computer that you can do for another show, or, you know, maybe gaming performance-wise could improve. And of course, once this icon clears up, we will know we will be good. Now, there's some other things you can do. You can go into your reg edit, which a lot of people say do this. And we'll go ahead and open it. I'm not going to change anything in the registry, mainly because, yes, go ahead. Mainly by doing so, you're going to take a risk that you're going to mess something up on your computer. And I'm pretty familiar with registries and all, but I don't see the purpose of actually going and edit them. Yeah, it will make your computer faster if you get the right folders, but at the same time, it could also mess your computer up, and then you're going to have to start from scratch because it's going to completely ruin everything. I mean, unless you have a external case or something like that to put your hard drive in so you can get your files off of, something I wouldn't want to mess with. By doing this, you're guaranteed that your computer is going to be running smooth. Now, just to make sure, extra protection, maybe your computer's still running slow after you're doing stuff like that, you actually may want to, say, open up Malwarebytes. We'll run as administrator. I know I need to update and I need to personally scan my computer. But basically, once that would open, we would update it, run a scan real quick, and take care of any malware that was on the computer. 13 days, so it hasn't been too long. It's been about 2 weeks. It's not bad though. So basically, that's how you can speed up your Windows 7 performance. You do a quick scan, but it's going to take a while because I have a lot of files from the external hard drive to the internal hard drives. So definitely check it out. Hopefully you guys like the video. Thumbs up if you do. If not, I understand, and go ahead and do a thumbs down. I mean, show me and tell me what you guys think of this video. Help me provide better tech videos, I suppose. And also look forward, we have some reviews that we're going to be doing on some stuff we received in the mail recently. And along with that, we're going to have some Ubuntu videos come out, especially the 11.10 first look. Recently was released, I believe, like a couple weeks ago or so. So, something to check out. Hopefully you guys like it. And as we always say here at World of Tech, get plugged in. Have a great day, you guys.